A Nigerian lady's dream of getting the perfect body has turned into an absolute nightmare that's costing her millions. What she just revealed about her BBL surgery will make you think twice before going under the knife. A confession about the person who performed her surgery will leave you surprised. A Nigerian lady who recently underwent body reconstruction surgery has shared a bitter regret after experiencing severe complications that cost her over 7 million naira to treat. The lady, identified as Angel_Kingi on TikTok, described her decision to have the BBL procedure in April as the worst mistake of her life. She took to social media to warn other women considering similar surgeries. According to her account, she spent over 7 million naira treating major complications that arose from the procedure. She emphasized that this was not an exaggeration, but the actual amount she spent trying to fix the damage. The most shocking part came when she disclosed that the person who performed her surgery was not a licensed plastic surgeon at all. Instead, it was a nurse who falsely claimed to be a doctor. She warned ladies against relying solely on social media influencers' recommendations when choosing where to get cosmetic procedures done. She stressed the critical importance of verifying the qualifications of medical practitioners. The lady shared that when the complications arose, the fake doctor asked her, "Am I not lucky I'm alive?" She questioned what would have happened if the complications had resulted in death instead. She urged women planning BBL procedures to do proper research. She warned that some practitioners will abandon patients when complications occur.
You want to get your body done, BBL and lipo. But do you know that you yourself have to help yourself and research? I got my body done in April, and I can say it was the worst mistake of my life. I used over 7 million naira to treat complications. I'm not exaggerating. So please, if you want to do your body, do not go to a hospital because of influencers. Do your your due diligence. Do your research. There are hospitals in Lagos that are very good. There are hospitals in Nigeria that are very good. But first of all, is your doctor a plastic surgeon? The doctor, is he a plastic surgeon? Anything can happen and they will leave you on the bench. Some won't even reply you again, just like my doctor. My doctor asked me, my nurse that is posing to be a doctor, he asked me, "Am I not lucky I'm alive? What if it was death?" That is what a supposed plastic surgeon is supposed, because that was what he said. He said he was a doctor. When we all found out that later he was just a nurse posing to be a doctor. In plastic surgery, my friend used this hospital, so she didn't have any complaints. So mine would be like that. My dear, no two experience is the same. Yeah, no two experience is the same. Your friend might go to this hospital and have the best experience, but try it first and God will use you to do example. So when I wanted to go for this my procedure, a lot of people warned me. They were like, "This hospital is not good, this hospital is this hospital is that." But when I spoke to this the so-called pretender, the person that is pretending to be a doctor, he was assuring me that those people are lying, this and that. Let me tell you the truth. No hospital will tell you they have death cases. None of them will tell you they have ever had complications, and that is the truth. They will lie to you. They will lie to you. Most businesses, they lie and they package themselves just because they want to sell the best to you. And when you have complications, that's when they will not start gaslighting you, because they can't handle it. They don't know what to do about it. Imagine you having your procedure for, let's say, about 4 million naira, and you are using almost 10 million naira to treat your complications. What if you don't have the money? That is why when you want to go for your procedure, you keep your aftercare and maybe money for small complication, because you might need it. You might need it. This thing is a life and death situation. So let's help ourselves. Because of the way Nigeria is now, do you know how many people had complications and they are hiding it? They don't just want to talk. They don't just want to come out and tell their own story. For me, I don't care. If you like, you judge me. I don't care. I use my own money, not yours. I didn't come to you to beg you for money. So if you like, you judge me. If you like, you talk. You're talking for your own self. So when I had the surgery done, I developed complications. I developed oil cyst, a little burn, and stage 10 necrosis. Why I said stage 10? Because all the hospitals I was going then for treatment, they'll be like, they've seen necrosis like this before, but they have never seen this type. Because mine was like stage 10. It was so worrisome. I was treating myself. Like in a day, you can spend up to 200,000 just for treatment and all that. And when this one stops working, you have to try a new one. Yeah, that is how bad it was. And not only me, about how many other women that did the same surgery from this hospital had the same problem. But who he is, he's a master gaslighter. He will lie to you, he will try to silence you, not to talk about it. And I can see some other people in the comment section about the other different hospitals talking about them, and they have not done your body before, you are defending because your friend has done there before. Let people share their experiences. It's because of these things that people don't come out to talk about what they have passed through in the hands of these doctors. Many of them, what you see online is different from what is happening in their hospitals. Be careful.
The video has sparked reactions from Nigerians. While sharing her experience, another tragic comment disclosed that someone's sisters lost their life due to complications after surgery. This story is a wake-up call for anyone considering cosmetic surgery. Should Nigeria have stricter regulations on who can perform these procedures? What do you think about people posing as doctors? And what's your stand on BBL surgery? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If this warning could save someone's life, please like this video and share it widely. Subscribe to Naija News TV for more important health and safety warnings. Hit that notification bell to stay informed. Keep watching Naija News TV.